the bicycle wheels all struggle to move round in your muddy mind. Blatantly caked and unwilling to wind. No cooperative time, so he sits on the springs till the mud goes dry. All the pretty visitors came and waved their arms and cast the shadow of a snake pit on the wall. All the pretty visitors came and waved their arms and cast the shadow of a snake pit on the wall. What came first, the chicken or the dickhead? Split sleep reaps rewards from ill-fitting thoughts, and twilight forced you to go on a walk. Your legs start running and your leg gets caught. Canopy 19 is perfectly placed for the reasonably frightening. Fall from the aftertaste, you'll have to slip away. I'm unhappy to say, behold as the crook in that hammock plays. All the pretty visitors came and waved their arms and cast the shadow of a snake pit on the wall. All the pretty visitors came and waved their arms and cast the shadow of a snake pit on the wall. Behold as the crook in the hammock plays cruelly with the base of the scales, and fiddles with the feet on the balancing act, gag bound and craft in a tail, trailing wrapped in a gasp. Cruelly with the base of the scales, and fucking fiddles with the feet on the balancing act. He was gag bound and craft in a tail, trailing wrapped in a gasp. All the pretty visitors came and waved their arms and cast the shadow of a snake pit on the wall. All the pretty visitors